Hare Krishna. So till yesterday we have seen how Krishna, he tells Arjuna that one should try to rise above the modes of material nature by transcending even Vedas. How does Krishna substantiate this? He says in today's verse, in 46th shloka, Yamanartha udapani sarvatah samplutodake tavan sarveshu vedeshu brahmanyasya vijanatah. All purposes served by small well can at once be served by a great reservoir of water. Similarly, all the purposes of the Vedas can be served to one who knows the purpose behind them. So Krishna says that more important than executing an activity is to know and always remember the consciousness with which that activity must be performed. Yes, the purpose why we are doing what we are doing. That's why we see Srila Prabhupada very beautifully termed this society International Society for Krishna Consciousness. Why? Because service might be same, but the purpose behind executing that service really changes the whole dimension of the game. We see Duryodhana is fighting, Arjuna is also fighting. From a material perspective, both are doing the same activity. Exactly same in spiritual circle. If somebody is dressing the deities also, if a person is dressing the Lord thinking, oh, I will dress the deities so nicely कि जब लोग दर्शन लेंगे बोलेंगे प्रभु जी क्या दर्शन किया है आपने, क्या ड्रेसिंग किया है, then the whole purpose behind the service is lost. If I sing a kirtan so nicely expecting adoration, fame and prestige, प्रभु जी आप क्या कीर्तन करते हैं, क्या आवाज है आपकी, then the whole purpose behind the kirtan is lost. So that's why it is not about service, it is about the consciousness with which that service is done. That's why we see Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Vedaischa sarvair aham eva vedyah. What is the purpose of executing Vedic rituals? It is to know Krishna. It is not to gain sense gratification or to get promoted to heavenly planets as it is mentioned in the Vedas. वो जरूरी नहीं है. भगवान की सेवा ये सबसे प्रथम कर्तव्य है. And we see how we can actually serve the Lord the best in Kali Yuga is by chanting the holy names of the Lord. Shastras say, Krito yadhyayato Vishnum Tretayam yajato makhai Dwapare paricharyayam kalau tad hari kirtanat. What was achievable in Satya Yuga by long practices of meditation, what is achievable in Treta Yuga by performing elaborate sacrifices, what is achievable in Dwapar by detailed deity worship, same result can be achieved in Kali Yuga, Kritau, Kalau, Tad, Hari Kirtana, just by chanting the holy names of the Lord. So, essence of following Vedas is chanting the holy names of the Lord. That's why we see what happens when one chants the holy name. One actually understands one's constitutional position as the servant of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. This knowing, this sakshatkar of being a sevak of Bhagavan, this is what is the essence of following Vedic literatures. When this is established, then everything is done. Shastras very beautifully say, Aho bat shva pachato gariyo yad jivhagre vartate nam tubhyam. Even a person who is beyond the four classes of social order, if he is chanting your holy names, he is the most perfectly situated just because he is chanting the holy names of the Lord. So, getting to direct service is essence of Vedic literatures. Without knowing this essence, if somebody gets only enamored by the externals, it is exactly like if I go to a chemistry laboratory The essence of going to that laboratory is to perform a reaction. मैं वहां पे जाके बीकर्स, पिपेट्स, सॉल्ट्स, उसकी खुशबू, इसको ही देखते मेरा समय बीत गया. एक्चुअल एक्सपेरिमेंट रहा कहां? ऑब्जर्वेशन रिकॉर्ड कहां हुए? So having beakers, pipettes and all these things, the aim is to do an experiment. उसी प्रकार से वेद क्यों है? हमें भगवान से जोड़ने के लिए है, हमें भुक्ति या भौतिक वासनाएं देने के लिए नहीं है. But when one does not understand this, then one gets caught up with the externals of the Vedas, and that's why Krishna is saying that one who knows the purpose behind them, he doesn't get caught up in the rituals. Yes, so this is how we see Krishna. He very beautifully concludes this entire chapter of Vedic, the section of Vedic description. Tomorrow is a very important shloka, how one is entitled to do one's activity. Be with us. Hare Krishna.
Krishna Krishna Krishna